Presenting the 2013 Ford Edge. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a spoiler, an alarm system, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist, privacy glass. Inside you'll find an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, cruise control, a trip computer, child restraint seats. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.